two things are irretrievable. One is time and the other is first impression. And whether we like it or not, we communicate messages about ourselves every time. It's a great idea to always look at ourselves, our perception, images. What messages are we subconsciously communicating to everyone around us? And let's see if we can make this subconscious effort a conscious effort to improve our relationships, to offer us insights. आपकी जिंदगी में ये आपके कंटिन्यूस सक्सेस और के लिए काफी कारगर है ये सेशन, और आपकी लाइफ भी काफी सिंप्लीफाई करेगा. इमेज मैनेजमेंट इज अ वेरी एसेंशियल, नेसेसरी लाइफ, बिजनेस एंड लीडरशिप स्किल. प्लान टू विन आप सोच रहे होंगे कि क्या है, बिकॉज आई एम सीइंग बहुत सारे लोग नए हैं. प्लान टू विन आपको एम्पावर करता है अपना टाइम एफिशिएंटली और इफेक्टिवली यूज करने के लिए. आज लेट अस लर्न अबाउट आर्ट एंड साइंस ऑफ फर्स्ट इंप्रेशंस फ्रॉम आवर एक्सपर्ट जया सिंघी, जिन्होंने लास्ट टाइम ये सेशन अटेंड किया था. दिस इज द पार्ट बी. पार्ट ए में हमने देखा था कि फर्स्ट इंप्रेशंस की साइंस क्या है, व्हाई एंड हाउ इज इट नेसेसरी. ये सेशन है आर्ट के बारे में, इमेज मैनेजमेंट या फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन का आर्ट of for a greater success. And there will be some interesting topics Mrs. Jaya will be conducting, taking up a checklist for a winning image, know your image, etc. A lot of things, and she makes it very exciting. So Mrs. Jaya Singhi, welcome Jaya. Can we have you on the screen? Jaya is a certified image consultant and a soft skills trainer. She has worked as a trainer with Image Consulting Business India Institute. She trains people to create a winning image by strengthening their inner self and projecting it effectively in their visual communication. Over to you, Jaya. Let's have your camera on, and I've pinned you.
You cannot see me, Gitanjali?
I can see you, and you're on spotlight.
Because you told me to keep the video on, so I said it was already on. Fine.
My screen was small, so I couldn't trace you.
Yeah, so yes. I thought some problem. So yes, good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Jaya.
So how are you all doing?
Good morning.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So how was last time session? So are you interested to know more about it?
Yes.
Of course.
I believe in it. And now this today's session, what you're going to disclose, I don't know. But I believe first impression is the last impression.
Okay. So I thank Plan to Win for inviting me. I acknowledge them for inviting me, and it's like, for me, it's like homecoming, you know, to see everybody after a few days. Also, thanks to all the participants for being here. Also, I acknowledge my son, for he really helped me out with so many things today. And my daughter had to leave her room today for some, so I think thanks to them. And I learned this from Plan to Win that I should acknowledge, right? So it reminded us.
Wow,
it reminded
Jaya,
me. So I attended the acknowledgement session. So I'm acknowledging.
Last conversational training, you're really putting in practice, and I can see that. It's amazing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gitanjali. So let's begin the session. So last session, how many people were there? And some of you might not be there, isn't it? So would you all like to switch on your videos if you're comfortable? Okay. So you. So the last image was all about the science of first impressions. Why we form first impressions, how are they formed? Let's take a small break. There's a truck going from here. 1 minute. I want to share something very quickly, very crisp. So why do we form first impressions? Quickly. Nobody.
For success, or for we it's a subconscious thing.
Yeah. It's a subconscious. But why do we? I asked, why do we form impressions? It is part of our reflex system. This is for somebody who had missed, so they can connect well. So we form impressions because that is part of a reflex system, and that gives us, helps us to remain safe. And that is how our our power, the doctor that, we have been given by the universe, so that we can really take care of ourselves. So that judgment power is there. So, but in today's world, in this competitive world, where there are so many things happening, and we want to achieve, and go out and do so many things, it can really help us. And also we have less time. So why not let our image, our appearance also work for us? So even if before we start speaking. So that is what the session is going to be about, how to do it. We've already done last time, why it works and how it works. Okay, so I'll start, sharing screen.
Meanwhile, if you still think you have people in your life, do see a lot of new people joining. Praful, Sheetal, welcome Sheetal.
Jaya, you are on mute.
Yeah, I realized. Yes, thank you so much. So this says image is everything. Is image really everything?
Not really. Beyond image is what it is, but the image is just the impression.
Yes, image is the impression. Okay, so we'll see ahead now. So we all carry certain skills, experiences, abilities. So image is not everything. We have our skills, experience, abilities, my knowledge of things, but what happens is people do not know us. People will judge us on what there meets their eye. So remember the exercise which we did when I asked you to touch your chin, but you touched your cheek. So why did that happen? Because we are always watching and then following. We are mirroring people all the time. Right? So it does happen that though we have our own skills and experiences, people keep on judging us, and the way they keep judging us, how it affects us and relates to our success, that we'll see. So today we are going to talk about image management for greater success. So you have your skill certification, that all is needed. But how image management can play a greater role. So it takes just a few seconds to form an image. And what do we come to know about the person in those few seconds? Let it be interactive.
Is it safe to interact with or not?
Can you come again, please?
Out of impression, we can figure out if the person is, safe to interact with or not.
Right. Yes, the safety level, whether the person is. What else? Quickly, about the personality. What is this person's age? We come to know the gender. We can somehow come to know, about how much educated that person is. Sometimes the geographical background also, the place of where they belong to, isn't it?
Yes.
Many a times. So a lot of things we are marked on, and we mark people the moment we lay there, we meet each other. So let's decode this image. So what is this image all about? And what is image? Anybody would like to answer this question? What is image?
Image is what meets the eye and a perception also.
Yeah. But Gitanjali, I would like others to also answer. Sorry for this, because
Myself
people please
confused.
participate. You are somebody know all kinds. Please answer. Can I? So I'll just, okay. So image is what?
Image is a projection.
Yes. So you can see this old lady, and what can you see in the image there?
A beautiful young girl.
Yeah. So image can lie, but that is not we are opting for. But that can also be, is used by people. But that is not what is our way of things going to be. So what is image? Image is actually, when I ask you, Shalaka, maybe, what is your image of your best friend? So it is something which is, Shalaka, are you there? Okay, so it is like something in your mind, right? So image is you in the mind of others, isn't it?
Yeah.
So now it is our choice which of these use you want people to have in their heads. So is it like, who puts that you there?
My best friend is
Can't hear you.
for me, my best imagine.
Sorry, Shalaka. So, okay. So who puts this you there? So I just said that image is you in the mind of others. So who puts that you inside that person's head?
May I answer, Jaya?
Who's that?
Gayatri.
Yes, Gayatri.
I feel, yeah, to a great extent, it is we ourselves who provide the raw material. But it is definitely the person who's keeping that impression of me over there, because the perceiver is very important in perception. Whatever I might want to put it out and how authentically I do it, how that other person's going to pick up what he wants to pick up will definitely make a difference in what he is going to store ultimately as my image in his mind. So it is me, but to a great extent, it is the other person also.
Oh, what has this started? Sorry. I totally agree, Gayatri, but then that is what we saw in the last week, that we cannot control the other person's perceptions, right? We cannot control the other person's, what's their perception of things, what is their experience in life. We can study the situation, but all that we can control is ourselves.
Absolutely.
So that is what we're going to talk about. So Shalaka has something to write on. So what we can really do is work on ourselves, and there's an image cycle which I would like to talk about.
जया थोड़ा सा हिंदी में भी हो जाए.
अच्छा, जरूर. So what is that other person, वो क्या सोच रहा है, वो सब, it all depends on कि हम उसको क्या दिखा रहे हैं, isn't it? And it is also the other ways. So I'll just take you through the image cycle. So what is this image cycle? So this is something which really happens all the time. You will observe how we think, and how we think depends on what we think about ourselves. What is a perception about my body image, my self-image? That will depend on my body image. Also, how I value myself and what I think I have achieved in life. These three things. my body image, my performance image, and how I value myself in life will, result in what I think about myself. And what I think about myself, that is the way I am going to take care of myself. And that is how, I'm dress myself also. So what I think about myself will make me feel. Suppose if I'm feeling good about myself, then I will feel good, isn't it? Someday you're feeling confident and happy, and you think that you're looking good. How do you feel?
Great.
You feel great. The moment you feel great, you feel pepped up. Automatically you will sit or stand more erect, act better. And the moment you will act, behave better, carry yourself better, present better, you will look into people's eyes when you're talking if you're feeling better, and you will act better. And the moment you act a little better, you will see the responses you get from people will also change. Don't they?
Yes.
But it is also the other way around. Somebody is not feeling well or somebody is feeling depressed. The moment you talk nicely to that person or give him that respect or the listening he requires or he or she requires, the other person's behavior would change.
Absolutely.
Isn't it? The moment that changes, the person's feelings change, and then he starts thinking better about himself. So it works both the ways, image inside and then inside out also. From outside, we go to inside. Also, if we are dressing well, we are grooming ourselves well, we think, we feel better, we behave better, and others do. So someday you're not feeling well, or you're not in the mood to go somewhere. Yeah, it happened with me last night itself. I did not want to go for some function, and then somehow I had to go. So, and I was not feeling like going. The moment I got dressed up, I was feeling better. I was feeling better. So I was a little more happier than I was an hour back. And the way everything happened, it automatically changed. So it always works like that. Do you agree?
Yes.
Jaya, I want to
So
say
now
one
what do you
thing.
see here?
Jaya, can I say one thing?
Yes, हाँ.
अगर हम नजारा बदले, अपना नजरिया बदले तो नजारा खुद बदल जाता है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
क्या बात है.
तो अभी जो नजारा है ना, वो कहाँ बदलना है, वो उसके बारे में देखते हैं हम. राइट? तो अब यहाँ पे आपको कौन दिख रहा है, कौन है? एवरीबडी नोज, राइट? हेलो?
Yes.
Guys, please answer. I just don't like to speak, or to this, talk to the screen.
Everyone knows him and all
Yeah,
love him.
everyone knows it. So, and one person. So, what is the thing which comes to your mind?
Young angry man.
Confidence.
Style.
He's the best. He's the best.
Okay.
Angry
So,
man.
Rowdy person.
yes. Who said rowdy?
Yeah.
Yes, angry young man. Just give me a moment. I'll just switch on the fan. All right, 1 minute. Give me a moment.
This is wonderful. She's giving us pictures of Feel free to interact, guys. Open up your, unmute yourself. Let it be fully interactive.
Yeah, let this be interactive, please, because it doesn't work otherwise. So, is the fan making a lot of noise? If you can just, is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay. We can hear it clearly, loud and clear.
Yeah, so tell me, this is like rowdy and more people coming quick, fast. Sab soye hain kya?
Aggressive.
aggressive, rowdy. Is it hooligan?
Yeah.
Right? What about these? So what is this one saying about?
First one is looking like cool.
Cool. Right.
Romantic.
Right. Romantic.
Right.
Cool.
Decent.
Decent. Decent. Which one would you call decent?
The
Decent.
So the above one of
Yes, this
means
one.
without beard and the clean shave, like the white shirt.
Yes, the Anand one, right?
Anand
He's
one,
the
yeah.
very decent
Yes,
guy.
yes.
If you must have seen Anand, right?
Yeah.
Babu
Yellow
Moshai.
shirt is
Babu
more of a
Moshai,
cool guy.
So, and what about this Khudagawa one?
Full Afghani.
Oh, sorry.
Intense.
Oh,
Intense.
Intense, very authentic. Authentic.
yes.
Handsome.
There can be so many impressions created just by his looks and
Yes.
तो इतने सारी variety of नजारे ये create कर सकता है.
So हम भी करेंगे, ठीक है, जहाँ हमको करना है. So let's learn how to do it, ठीक है. So this is these 4 things, and coolly hardworking, right? So that is by looking at him, you can say
Yeah.
hardworking. So did he work in front of you?
But even he's, you can see he's enjoying his hard work. You know, the smile is on his face.
Yeah, yeah. So see that how much that smile has. So you can read so much. See. So now, what about these?
This is elegant.
Elegant, sophisticated,
It's full.
Aging growth.
experience.
Experience, authoritative.
Yeah. So see, the person has been the same, but what has changed?
His attitude,
Images.
And clothes and
Look.
the way he presents himself, the way he come in front of you.
We just spoke about
changes.
Yeah. So he has his skills, he has experience, he has his knowledge. So but what are we judging? We know about all those things. So people who do not know us, how do they judge us? On what?
Outer look.
Meets their eye. I told you, they judge us on what meets their eye, isn't it?
Yeah, first means before talking, they judge by their appearance, how it looks, you know. And when they talk, they will judge by the way of speaking. So whether he's a sophisticated, learned, so all these things will come.
Only what changed in all these pictures were what meets our eye. So what is meeting our screen, our eye right now? What can we see is
Costumes, different costumes.
clothing. Is it only the clothing? If you're wearing the same clothing, so suppose if this
The facial expressions also in the body language,
yes.
how he presents itself.
yes. So
Yeah,
see, you all know everything. So this subject is something which everybody knows about. I'm just gathering it for you,
Yeah.
right? So what changes is his clothing. So you know what? If you're wearing the same suit, if in this Janjeer, this person is made to wear a suit and then act like that, would you believe what he's saying? Would that movie be a hit at that time?
No, because that will not go with his personality.
Yes. So we do not accept it. We do not trust if all factors are not working in the same lines. And what are those factors? They are clothes, your grooming, body language, and etiquette. All these 3 together will make up how we look. In an online screen, we'll talk about later, what do we see in the whole screen, and that is what we need to take care of. So the 3 universal factors that create the visual image are clothing, including accessories. So, grooming, including hygiene, body language, which includes etiquette. So, and image management is the ongoing proactive art and science. It is not something you learn and forget. This is something which we practice day in and day out, and you all have been doing it. And these 3 things, the universal, elements which I spoke about, they are what? Resources. Clothing is a resource. Grooming is something which is in our hands. Body language is something we can use. And especially if you look at the clothing part, it is something. Tell me one thing where anybody of you has gone out without wearing your clothes. So you have, huh?
Only in washroom.
Yes, Gitanjali, you're saying something?
No, in the bathroom, of course.
Yeah, so I'm saying going out, I said. That is the reason I said out. Every word you use is important, right?
But Jaya,
Uh-huh.
yeah. See, going out without clothes means for me, I have a question in mind.
Yeah.
Whenever my husband is a professor, so whenever I'm with him, I'm going out with him, I always wear saris. Okay.
Right.
But when I'm going out on my own,
Right.
okay, let it be the same area, same campus, whatever. When I'm going alone, I'm always in my jeans or trousers. So what does that mean?
So why do you wear a sari when you go out with him? So that depends on what is going on in your mind when, and that we'll see the 5 things on the few things, what we need to take for and what you have been thinking about, but now you can think, more in a more focused way.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to add a line for this. Can I?
Yes. Tell me.
मैम हम कैसे ड्रेस करते हैं और हम कैसे अपना अपीयरेंस लाते हैं, वो इस पे भी डिपेंड करता है कि हम उस टाइम पे किसके साथ हैं.
हाँ, तो वो हम बात करेंगे, एकदम सही बोल रहे हैं आप. And this is going to come.
सपोज मैम अभी स्क्रीन पे नरेंद्र मोदी, अगर मैं उनसे मिलने जाऊंगा तो मुझे एकदम ट्रेडिशनल कपड़े में एकदम मतलब ऐसे जाना पड़ेगा. और वहीं पर अगर मैं किसी एक्टर से मिलने जा रहा हूँ तो वो टाइम पे मैं थोड़े से फैंसी पहनूंगा. और वही टाइम पे अगर मैं किसी कॉमेडियन से या फिर किसी डांसर से मिलने जा रहा हूँ तो वो टाइम पे मेरा लुक एकदम ही डिफरेंट हो जाएगा, ताकि मैं उसके साथ मैं खुद को मैनेज कर सकूं. अगर मैं नरेंद्र मोदी जी से मिलने जा रहा हूँ और उस टाइम पे अगर सपोज कि मैं डांसर जैसे कपड़े पहन के जाऊंगा एकदम और लगेगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई मींस वो इस पे भी डिपेंड करता है कि हम किस टाइम पे किसके साथ जा रहे हैं.
अग्री. बिल्कुल सही बात है, वो तो है. एंड देन वी विल जस्ट सी अहेड.
Jaya, Ashok ji wants to say something. उनका हाथ ऊपर.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. हाँ, अशोक जी बोलिए. So is he there?
I think yes.
I think he wrongly raised his hand.
Acha, okay, by mistake. Sorry.
So Narendra Modi is a big example to how he has changed his image through working on all the aspects of all the elements of. And has he achieved success?
Yes.
Yes, he has, right? So he has been able to achieve. So clothing. So we all know that clothing is very important. So I'm giving you very basic points right now. What is the basic thought and the plan behind how should everything be? We'll see ahead. Clothing, it should be well fitted. There should be one focal point. They're very simple points. It should be neat. And what is this one focal point? So that we'll talk about. Minimal appropriate accessories. You will find people, बहुत लोग होते हैं जैसे इतना ये भी पहन लिया, वो भी पहन लिया, पर्स भी बहुत है, सब कुछ बहुत फ्लैशी है, सब कुछ. So whatever occasion it is, whether it's professional, social, जहां भी जा रहे हो, अगर आप बहुत सारी चीजें से करोगे, then it will not make a very harmonious look. So there should be one or two things, and especially one focal point. So that what is that one focal point? I'll delve deeper into this thoda sa aage. So coordinate with background. This is especially for the online thing. जब भी आप कपड़े पहन रहे हैं तो आपका online should be something, background should be something जो उसके साथ blend नहीं कर जाए, या फिर it should not, the background should not take away the attention which you should get. And for professional situations, आपका attention हमेशा face के पास आपको बनाना है. So I'll practically show you now. I think just do it now. Right, so you all can see me, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
What is this focal point? What can you see in my appearance right now?
Your specs.
Your hairstyle.
Okay. So what is that one thing which is catching your attention the most?
Your smile.
Your lips.
So that
and
is
your
what it
smile.
should be. You know, if it's catching my smile is catching, then it is something which is like I am, nailed it kinds. So that is what should be. You should catch people's attention first. But otherwise, what catches our attention is contrast. So wherever we create contrast in our appearance through our clothing and accessories, in that part, that will, always catch attention. As humans, like we have a reflex action which would default है, तो हमारा हमेशा ध्यान भी उसी पे जाता है जहां contrast build होता है. Okay, so my hair and my skin will create contrast. But here, what is contrast? Don't you think this is creating a lot of contrast?
Yes, yes, yes.
With the yellow color. So, yes. So, but if I had put on, this and then something else also with it, something like this, if I add two things, then it will all, attract attention. Now, if I have one minute, I have this. If I put in a ring here and I speak like this, so what will happen is,
It is very distracting.
yes, so you will not be able to understand or pay 100% attention to what I am speaking, right? And suppose I have something golden kept here, something here, something which is catching a lot of attention. So what happens? आप मुझे देखते देखते आप पहले वहां देखने लग जाओगे, ध्यान वहां जाए बिना नहीं रहेगा, because we are all humans. That is the only thing. Okay.
Jaya, if I may ask,
Yeah.
this is of course even deliberately done by people to ensure that we are not paying attention to what they're saying, and we are, isn't it? I mean, it might be working for people the other way around also, na?
So you can do anything, right, Gayatri? आपकी जो इच्छा आप करो. मतलब if you want, how you want to lead people's attention.
I am saying if someone wants to use this thing, maybe they're saying some details which I should not be paying focus to, and then they might be just I think that's also possible, right? Absolutely.
Yes, quite possible. So what will catch attention is, so when I had put in here, so could you see that? So what is catching attention now? So that your
black dupatta.
Scarf. So do you see the message, the difference in the authority level? Isn't it? This is giving me more authority.
Yes.
So I had put it earlier, but then what also is important is you should be comfortable. So that will come later. I should be comfortable. So I had switched on the fan and it was not at all comfortable. So it was very important because I'm taking the session. I'm talking to you all. I should be very comfortable. Only then I will be able to give my 100% speaking to you. So when I switched off the fan, I also removed this. Now see, can you see? The message is changed.
Yes.
Yes. Now, if I want to just so if I just with the clothing different messages. Now see, if I just remove this and I put on something like this, what will happen? Again, so attention always, it might go here. So this will not be right for a place when you have to speak and you want people to listen to you. So if you want people to listen to you, it's in a professional setting, or if you're talking even on a personal note, and you have so many things adorned, आपने बहुत कुछ पहना हुआ है या बहुत कुछ, what उनके आंख में क्या दिख रहा है, what meets their eyes too much, then their eyes are always working. We are hearing with our eyes. That is what I said, right? We are hearing with our eyes. So let everything give the same message. So in a professional setting, make sure that the attention is somewhere near the face. So even if here it is somewhere near the neck and the face. So females, your dressing should be such, especially in professional settings, that all the attention is on the face. And that is why जब जैसे हमने ये बात बोल दी, उसके बाद में you will not really want, उस डिटेल में नहीं भी जाना कि क्या पहनना है क्या नहीं, तो वो समझ में आ जाएगा. Your colors should be such, your lines should be such, your patterns should be such. agar patterns are very bold and bright in your skirt or in your dress or in your sari, or you're wearing a lot of bangles, how do you expect the other person to listen to you? या आपने बहुत कुछ कहीं कुछ भी, even you know, looks में at least there should be some harmony, that why will the other person listen to you when the other person, you are, you know, soothing, you are in harmony, there's nothing distracting about you.
इवन बहुत बार, कई बार हम हार्ड परफ्यूम्स यूज कर लेते हैं, तो वो भी कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ज्यादा डिस्ट्रैक्शंस होता है, बहुत सारे लोगों को एलर्जी.
That is all factor. Smell, everything which should be soothing to that other person. किसी को भी कोई भी चीज में डिस्टर्ब करोगे आप तो वो आपकी बात ही नहीं सुन सकता है. Now, if there is background पे like there's a lot of light coming from the background. So if I just switch on this light, see what happens. Is my face as clear now?
Not clear.
See.
Yeah.
So what is taking the attention is the background light. So the light should never be from the background. Especially in this online thing, I have actually switched off all the lights and opened the windows. So that soft window light is enough. And then one small trick is Zoom does all the settings for you.
Love you, Jaya.
Thank you so much, Uttara. So Zoom can also help you out with this. So the light, कभी भी ऊपर से light नहीं आनी चाहिए, पीछे से light नहीं आनी चाहिए, सामने से there should be soft light. You should be visible and don't sit. Like you should not be like this. See, when you're sitting like this, what is more visible?
Chin.
Your chin.
My chin, my nostrils. So why do you want to show people your nostrils? Right? It should be like online, a physical meeting ka option online we have made now. But the best is when we meet a person, you know, one-to-one. So the best way is if I'm looking eye to eye to that person. इसलिए आप अपने कैमरा आई लेवल पे कैमरा रखोगे. So I'm going off topic. What I was talking was type of thing, but still I'm just, since it came to my mind, I'm just discussing this online part. So straight रखना, you look into the camera, and this is okay. So let's move ahead. The clothing थोड़ा सा clear हुआ, and all clothing has different messages. So what messages you want to pass? What message does this give?
Stars.
Stars है, but अगर ये मैं use करूँ तो ये मेरे कुर्ते के साथ जा रहा है क्या? The color might go, but the message this passes on is fun.
Funky, yeah.
Funky. Does it go with the message I want to give today? So maybe I can wear this when I'm taking a seminar for youngsters.
Yes,
that's right.
Right? So, and suppose if I'm taking for some ladies, you know, I can maybe use this scarf, a print. But if I use it, you know, quantity पे भी depend करता है कि अगर आपने इतना बड़ा use कर लिया उसको, this is flower. If this whole flower is visible, people will stop listening to me and start looking at the flower. So even if I have to use it, I have to ensure only the colors are visible and just put it. Even for men, the tie. The tie is very important to give them the bright power in that particular session. For if I'm talking of this about for a professional thing, or you know, so you cannot wear a very bright colored tie, or bright can be bright, but not in a lot of intensity, a glittery something or something which is not giving the message of professionalism.
It's interesting, yeah, because in our profession as an architect or design people,
yeah,
in fact, if we go in a meeting with a tie, it almost you know, doesn't go with the image. So
yeah,
don't put a tie in a professional image for sure, for professional setting and presentations.
Like, but for creative images, you know, for all professionals, there's a style scale which we have. So that is another session actually. So how, depending on your profession, the level you are in, and what is the message you want to pass. In a creative setting, you don't want to pass the message of serious or mature. You have to be creative, authentic. So those are the messages which you want to, give out. So then the messages will change. You can look at an authority level even in a creative profession. You really don't need to, dress in a t-shirt and go. Even if you're wearing a t-shirt, then maybe you have to accessorize it to something creative, which shows you as a person, brings out the inner you out, right? Looking at you, people should feel, oh, she's like somebody doing, who's good at her work, she's creative. So even if it is there in your dressing, then that is what is, art in every dress is all about. So how you use these clothing, grooming, and these things, all the elements to give out the right messages for your roles and goals of life. It cannot be one thing for everybody or anybody. So let's get ahead now. So this clothing. So something which is not clear, have I missed out, or you want more, we can just take it later. So effective grooming and etiquette. What is grooming all about? Grooming is very simply taking care of all your peripherals, basically. Whatever is there on our nails, our hair, the cleanliness part. So everything. So in this online, all these things, see, when you care for all these small things, what happens is, when people see you, they might not mark you, किसने ये भी किया, ये भी किया, ये भी किया, इसके बाल अच्छे से बने हुए हैं, या this person's nails are clean or neat, or this person is not wearing torn socks, they will not note. But the moment you wear a torn sock or you wear something which is not proper, you will be marked down on that aspect. Agree?
Yes.
Totally.
तो आप अच्छे से कर रहे हो, उसके आपको brownie points मिल रहे हैं, but they are not given, as tangibly. But the moment you falter somewhere, it will help the other person to put you down the moment itself. So you need to be proper on all these. So grooming is very important. Then comes the body language. So your body language and etiquette. So body language, the way you are carrying yourself is extremely important in all situations. Personal, there are so many people who personal life में बहुत issues होते हैं. Majorly being, लगता सब कुछ authority से होना है. So sometimes you have to be very soft. Your body language is too harsh for people around you. Right? Just have a look at this picture.
Slide. Yeah, just put it on and we'll see it properly.
Yeah. You can just take a minute and then I'll be back. I need to show you something for that. I'll just.
So meanwhile, guys, requesting each one of you to type क्या मिल रहा है आपको? What are you learning? मेरे लिए तो ये सारी invisible चीजें थी. Hi Mohan ji, good morning. So kindly, perfect. Thank you Mohan ji for sharing that to enhance my aura and personality. So until Jaya is coming, guys, let us share here कि आपको क्या मिल रहा है अभी के सेशन में. और मॉर्निंग सुबह सैटरडे मॉर्निंग आने का कोई फायदा हुआ है? Awaiting your responses.
We learned क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए.
Yes. And आजकल के टाइम में, day and age जहाँ पे हम लोग all the time we are at the focus when we are talking to people. Yeah. Perfect. So इनमें मैंने भी जाके कुछ आजू बाजू की चीजें हिलाई जैसे जया ने कहा. So every minute we can learn. Thank you Shalaka. Mohan, please share. Thank you Kabir. Thank you so much. आपके शेयरिंग से दूसरों को भी पता चलेगा, अरे हाँ ये भी तो डिस्कस हुआ था. यस संगीता, थैंक यू. Absolutely. We are not even aware. It's not that we want to make that kind of impression, but we don't even know, oh, folding my hands is going to give that impression. Thank you. Jay, if you're back, you can resume. I'm just filling up your space.
Yeah. I'm here. And so how, guys, did you find this valuable and any inputs? Can you relate something to your life, you know? कि क्या मुझे क्यों responses नहीं मिलते हैं? Sometimes we are very stern with our children. Am I audible?
Yes. Yes, you are, yeah, Jaya. You're all yours.
Okay.
Ears and eyes.
What do you say?
We are all ears and eyes for you.
Okay. So now, can you see some difference? So body language, okay. So what should we do for body language? We'll just take few tips, things. Ek to whenever if you want to feel confident, just take a deep breath. Sit up or stand up. Ek to it will make you 1 inch slimmer. The moment you just take a deep breath and stand erect, it will make you your waist 1 inch slimmer. And always occupy space when you're talking, especially. बहुत ऐसे करके नहीं खड़ा. I just saw some female meeting a big celebrity, and the way she was sitting, standing with her was showing that she is not feeling really, you know, she's feeling very little. Okay, you are meeting that celebrity that you know need to give all the attention. Then, but why do you have to close yourself? So that person was standing like this. This is a fig leaf position. So I'll just show you. So if you share, you know, you fold your hand like this and keep it in front of you. So many people do it, but it's like you're hiding yourself. So you should have open body language. Your hands should be open and use them. Your feet should be open. Also, लेकिन जब भी आपके पाँव है ना, दोनों अलग-अलग direction में नहीं होने चाहिए. What does that show? It shows that your mind is working in different directions. So people who can really understand body language or, you know, can catch you. Agar koi, you know, is going outside and is about to leave, you will see that the person is looking at you, unke paon lekin already turn ho chuke hain. So these things will matter. Take a deep breath, stand up, हाथ ऊपर खुले होने चाहिए जब बात करें. And whenever you talk, when you fold your hands like this in front of somebody, तो ऐसा लगेगा कि सामने वाला is, you know, resisting something, not close to what you're talking. You don't feel like talking. The moment you're talking to somebody, किसी ने ऐसे कर लिया, you think that person is trying just to listen to you because he doesn't have the power to answer you back or shouldn't speak back out of courtesy. So then do you want to continue talking to such a person? So it's better you also don't have these things. And the best way, one thing about body language is your facial expressions. How many facial expressions we have all the time, and each expression हम सब माहिर हैं कैच करने में और you know decode करने में और पता लगाने में. मुझे पता है वो झूठ बोल रहा था या नहीं बोल रही थी. I don't think he has, you know, depth. We judge so much. So how does it come? Sometimes we know that there is no depth in that person. Why? Because we can see it in their eyes. The movement of your eyeball also shows what is happening. Like online, तो आप नहीं बोल सकते because I think I'm looking on the side screen because I can see faces only on the side and I don't want to talk to people. Now I just, you know, not talk to. When your eyeballs roll up, suppose I ask you a question. Okay, Gitanjali, I can see you. Okay, Darshana, whose face can I see? 1 minute. So let's do this.
So Jaya, we have guys, we have just 7 minutes to complete. We are going to complete very, very soon. So Jaya, how much time do you require?
Today I got a little this time. Yes.
No, because I was writing the chat, but how much time?
I cannot see the chat. Today I have gone beyond time. Okay, so I'll just finish it quickly. Okay.
No problem. So guys, we are going to be maximum extend till 5 minutes, 9:05.
Please do.
So stay there. So Jaya, I will be giving you is it okay? Like by 9 o'clock, if you could wrap up, we would want to have a conversation with them.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Stay put here. something more amazing values she'll give us.
Yes, we need to cover a lot. So this is was all about body language.
Yeah,
so
looks like we could have a separate session for body language, complete.
So I got a little carried away with body language, sorry, but so yeah, I'm trying to wrap up as much as I can in the session. So let's move ahead. So vocal and verbal elements, how we say is very important. But so these are the things we need to ask ourselves. You can click a picture and just move ahead. Okay, ask yourself. So I want to leave you with those 4 A's at least. When these things you need to take care of whenever you're going out. What do you want to communicate? The message you want to give out. Think of the message and make sure that all the elements of image, you are saying the same thing. आपने कपड़े तो बहुत professional पहन लिए, पर आपने lipstick इतनी bright लगा ली कि that is not saying professional. Okay, and you're wearing a very nice suit, but your maybe shirt is not a very this personal professional thing. Then it will not work. You're going to a shadi, but you're wearing a very simple, plain something which is looking very dull. So you will feel like a misfit and will not enjoy the wedding. So the message you get going will help you, really enjoy this, whatever this occasion is, and be 100% there. That is not isn't that what we're talking about here? So the winning image, I was going to talk about the 4 A's of image management, and that is how you make a winning image. They are appropriate, authentic, attractive, and affordable. So appropriate means you should be appropriate as per for the occasion, your role and goal in life, right? That is very important. Authentic, that doesn't mean that you have to be somebody else, that if you're going for some place, you have to wear something which is not true to you. You should wear something which you are comfortable. You are authentic to your own person, your values, your personality traits. So whatever you're wearing, so if you take care of these, attractive, your attractive does not mean that something which is very flashy or attracts a lot of attention. It is more about not distracting you from the work in hand, whatever work you're doing, whatever setting of occasion. Also, you should be comfortable कि मैं appropriate भी हूँ, authentic भी हूँ, attractive, but it is not heavy on my pocket also. So if you just have a little bit thought behind it, you can do all of them. Okay. So these are the 4 A's. If you just take care of these 4 A's and the few W's which I had said, what to wear, where are you going, what are you doing, इतना अगर आप ध्यान रखोगे, so wherever you go, you will see that your impression makes the right impact that you're looking for, right? So let's go. अब इसको तो आगे कर रही हूँ मैं. See, so this was all about like how people in the same profession, they give out different messages, right? So you have to be attractive. You should look good. When compliments you, what has happened? Everything becomes better for you. सब कुछ अचानक magic wand फिर गया जैसे किसी ने compliment कर दिया कभी तो. Doesn't it happen? Yeah. So it should be affordable, looking like you are not in pain, you are in charge. You're having fun with. It's not about spending lots. It's about giving that thought while dressing. And then acquiring accordingly. We keep shopping, but if we put that thought behind in shopping, what would be suitable to us? We don't go on shopping sprees, कि अभी discount है, अभी sale है, चलो ये अच्छा लग रहा है, खरीद लेते. Does it suit me? Is it for me? Will it work for me? If you just give a few questions before going out, then we're going for shopping or doing it online also. Like nowadays, we're doing so much of online shopping. It will work for you. So this is like very quick. So your clothing, grooming, body language, etiquette, everything should be appropriate, authentic, attractive, and affordable. You want to take a screenshot, you can take it. So we can move ahead. So let's not discuss this. Okay. So now I was going to, I have this image quotient, which I'm putting in the chat. It will take a few minutes. You can save it and you can share it with me. If you want to wind up, then we can wind up. And I will be sending you the answers to it. I'm giving you a Google form. You can fill it. So let's find out what is your image quotient, your perception about yourself, and where do you stand in your eyes. You can even give those same questions to somebody else nearby, and their views and your views, see how they are different. And it will come, you'll be you will be knowing more about your blind spots maybe, if you get it filled by somebody else. Okay, so I'll just stop share, and I'm giving it.
This is wonderful, Jaya. I think we'll need a part C to this. As you all can see, everybody's ready to continue. So the
Yes,
next
I can continue.
Yes, GK.
body image, but
Yeah,
thank you,
this
Sangeeta.
was so wonderful, actually, Jaya. This was a fantastic session that you've taken. Interesting, most interesting, I must say.
Are you sharing
Thank
the
you.
link, Jaya, in the chat?
1 minute, just one. I'm just doing that.
But in the interest of our integrity and time, we will have to, sorry about this.
Yes,
We'll
I've
have to-
shared the form.
Right.
Yes. One more thing I want to just, before I finish off, can you all see the difference the moment I switched my camera off and on? Did anybody notice any difference?
Is your lipstick shade different?
Yes. Lipstick shade is the difference that you made.
So what difference did it make? Tell me.
Quickness and
Brightened up
freshness.
your face.
Yes.
It is noticed.
You noticed, but what was the difference? Can you see?
Yeah, it's brightened up your face, actually.
So that is why I did not put it earlier, because I wanted you all to see how it brightens up the face.
Appearance
Just
change
one
your
small color, you don't need a lot of things to make the difference. You just need a few things, the right things to make the change, right?
Yes.
So Jaya, you recommend that we fill up this form and also get it filled up by someone else so that we can check like what we think and what others think, right?
No. But what you fill yours and send it to me.
Yeah.
But if the same questions, if you want to ask somebody else for you, you will see how it made a difference.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Can you all just switch on your cameras? I would like to click a picture.
And guys, those who are here for for the first time, there is something very special we want to share with you. After Jaya has completed, we'll be taking 5 minutes. So stay there. You are going to be introduced to something which is absolutely wonderful. So please stay put, for 5 more minutes. Yes, Jaya, you can take the picture.
Thank you.
You have 2
I
pages.
hope you all enjoyed the session, and sorry for stretching out the time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Darshana. Thank you so much, Gitanjali. Thank you everybody for being there in the session. And if you have any,
we would like your contact. Can you share your contact number so that they can contact you?
Yeah. I'll do that.
So I think Gitanjali, are you there on the call? Okay, so I'll just take this forward. So Jaya, are you done with your
I'm done. I'm thank you.
presentation? Okay. Perfect. So thank you so much, guys. So my name is Darshana. We are from the Plan to Win community, and thank you, Jaya, for being here. Everybody to come on a Saturday morning. It talks volumes about who you are as a human being for your own family and for the community. ये जो इमेज आप क्रिएट करना चाहते हो, ये क्यों करना चाहते हो? बिकॉज आपको बहुत सारे लोगों से बात करनी है और आप जानते हो कि आप इफेक्टिव नहीं हो, और जैसे जया ने कहा कि लोग अपनी आंखों से सुनते हैं, तो उस तरह से आपको, जिस तरह से आप अपने आप को प्रोजेक्ट करते हो, आई एम श्योर दैट यू हैव गॉट लॉट्स ऑफ टेक अवेज. हम हर सैटरडे को 8 बजे मिलते हैं और अलग अलग प्रोग्राम्स और अलग अलग एरियाज के बारे में बात करते हैं. How many of you want to reduce losses? यहाँ पे जो भी लोग हैं जो बिजनेस में है या घर पे, हम लोग कितनी सारी चीजों को लॉसेस देखते हैं ना, घर में खाना बना दिया, वेस्ट हो गया, या कितनी सारी इन्वेंट्री होती है ऑफिस में, इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी लॉसेस होते हैं। अरुण, आई एम श्योर दैट आपने इतना इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी क्रिएट किया है, मगर हम लोग वो, so reducing losses is what we are going to talk about in the coming session, guys, which is coming Saturday on 30th. We have my beloved mentor Nilesh Surana coming here and addressing people. So not only that you should take advantage of this session, but invite people. लिंक सेम रहेगी, अगर आपको मैसेज भी नहीं मिलता है, सेम लिंक है, आप हमको कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो। शिलाका, कैन यू प्लीज शेयर द नंबर? इफ गीतांजलि इज बैक, वी वुड बी गिविंग यू अ गूगल फॉर्म। तो रिड्यूसिंग लॉसेस का ये जब सेशन अटेंड करोगे ना, आपकी लाइफ के बहुत सारी बोलते हैं ना मॉनिटरी प्रॉब्लम्स डिसमेंटल हो जाएंगी एंड यू कैन क्रिएट प्रॉफिट्स। लॉस जब रिड्यूस होता है, जब हम वजन कम करते हैं, जंक फूड कम कर दे, तो ऑटोमेटिकली न्यूट्रिशियस फूड लाइफ में आ जाता है। सो यस, सो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू रेडी फॉर रिड्यूसिंग लॉसेस? And meanwhile, Shalaka, Arun, Gitanjali, just put the form, because I don't have this handy right now. I'm just focusing on them. Put the Google form. और जया, आपका जो फॉर्म है, हमारे पास एक ग्रुप है गाइस, प्लान टू विन का, हार्ट टू हार्ट ग्रुप में हम आपको ऐड कर सकते हैं। इफ यू वांट टू बी एडेड टू प्लान टू विन कम्युनिटी, which is a free platform for people to know the updates. Plan to win is a paid program, guys. We go on a monthly coaching. So those who want to know about this program can stay back. For everybody else, the program is complete. But before that, kindly share your details in this form. और जया का जो फॉर्म है, वो मैं अपने हार्ट टू हार्ट ग्रुप में डाल रही हूँ। जया, yeah, do I have the permission? Yes? Yeah, so we are adding more people to heart group. Jaya's form will be shared on the heart to heart group. Her contact will be shared on the heart to heart group. You can send your response to her. और हम लोग जो भी फॉर्म दे रहे हैं आपको, इससे आपको एक्सपर्ट स्पीक के लिए रजिस्ट्रेशन में यूजफुल होगा। Whoever is invited you, उनको छोड़ना नहीं, उनसे जरूर पूछना, because by reducing losses and by increasing profits, immediately in one session you can improve your profits by 20%. I can talk to you about this because I have experienced it. Yeah, so please do join us for the next session as well. Okay, so once again, Jaya, thank you for being here. We are inviting you one more time for a session C and D and E until Z. So and हम लोगों को लगता है हम लोग बहुत बेस्ट हैं, मगर there is always a scope for improvement. And Jaya, you showed that to everybody. And आज के जमाने में जब Zoom से या Google Meet से या Teams से हम लोगों से जब मिलते हैं, तो ये बहुत यूजफुल होगा। Guys, do you agree with me? If you agree with me, please type yes.
Darshana, Dolly want to say something. Can you check?
Yes, Dolly, you can say, and then whoever is new to Plan to Win, please 5 मिनट के लिए रुकिए, 5 या 3 मिनट के लिए. After Dolly has shared, everybody else can leave, whoever is already with us. Yes, Dolly.
No, I think that was by mistake, but yeah, the session was really great. And I would like to join the next one, the C part of it.
Yes, perfect. Yes, definitely. So C part जो है वो coming month में होगा, but next class next week is going to be on reducing losses, increasing profits. Perfect. So those who are new, kindly wait. Others can leave. I'm just giving you like a few seconds. Okay. Perfect. And those who are not new can also stay back. Okay, so guys, thank you. I'm really excited to share with you something amazing. So, Nitika, Pramod, Prathamesh, Puneet, Rahul, Rajesh, Reena, Ritika, Sonu, Sudha, Tanmay, Vasudha, Vismay, and Ashok. You know, guys, आप लोगों के साथ में जो share, Ashok is not connected to the audio. If anybody knows Ashok, can you please see that he's connected to audio? And thank you, Mahesh, for your compliments. मैं आपके साथ एक प्रेजेंटेशन शेयर करना चाहूंगी जहां पे प्लान टू विन क्या है। क्या आप जानते हैं प्लान टू विन क्या है? और यू आर एब्सोल्युटली न्यू टू प्लान टू विन, प्लीज पुट इट इन द चैट। अगर आप एकदम ही पता ही नहीं है क्या है प्लान टू विन। ओके, महेश को पता नहीं है। व्हाट अबाउट यू शैलेश जी, डू यू नो व्हाट इज प्लान टू विन?
थोड़ा भी पता नहीं है।
या आपकी आवाज अब बहुत अच्छे से नहीं आ रही है।
अभी आया आवाज मेरा?
हाँ, थोड़ा कम आ रहा है पर आ रहा है, बोलिए ना। हाँ
हाँ, मेरे लिए एकदम न्यू है।
वाओ, अमेजिंग अमेजिंग। तो मुझे बताइए, I'm asking शैलेश जी, I'm asking everybody, how about हम जो भी लाइफ में करना चाहते हैं, जो भी लाइफ में करना चाहते हैं, वो बिना स्ट्रगल और मजे से करें, तो क्या होगा?
मजा आएगा।
मजा आएगा, यस। तो शैलेश जी, मैं जानना चाहती हूँ, ऐसी कौन सी चीज है कि आप सीक्रेटली सोचते हो ये मुझे करना चाहिए, मगर मुझे करने में ना दिक्कत आ रही है? जैसे मुझे किताब लिखनी है, केमिस्ट्री हैंडबुक, ओके, और मैं शुरू कर चुकी हूँ, मुझे मजा आ रहा है एवरीडे जो भी कर रही हूँ। आपको क्या करना है? चलो शेयर करो, कोई बात नहीं, बिंदास शेयर करो कि आपको क्या करना है। Seema, what do you want to do? Seema, would you like to quickly take a minute and also thank your beloved dearest friend Jaya?
Yes, thank you, Darshana, and thank you, Jaya, for coming. I mean, despite all the situations you are having at home, but I love your commitment, and we had a wonderful session with you. So thank you for all that, and thank you to all the participants also. We enjoyed it thoroughly, and what an input! Like for everyday life, it's such an important thing. So
thank you
so much, and thank you, Darshana.
Yeah, in spite of she being unwell, like thank you, Seema. Okay, तो चलो क्या accomplish करना है, guys? Puneet is eager to know. अगर पुनीत आपको करना क्या है लाइफ में? कुछ एक मेरी फ्रेंड है, मतलब she's a participant of Plan to Win. She wants to create, a great profile. क्या बोलते हैं monetary, क्या कहते हैं stock market में? She wants to create an, उसमें उसका क्या कहते हैं? What's the word for that, Arun? पोर्टफोलियो हमें प्रोफाइल बोलते, तो उसको एक बहुत ही पावरफुल पोर्टफोलियो क्रिएट करे. शी जस्ट स्टार्टेड. डू यू थिंक इट इज पॉसिबल? तो आपको आपके कोई भी अकम्प्लिशमेंट के लिए दो चीजों की बहुत जरूरत है, एक्शन एंड कंसिस्टेंसी. डू यू अग्री? एक्शन एंड कंसिस्टेंसी, एक्शन एंड कंसिस्टेंट. मैं रोज छोटे स्टेप्स करूंगी. हर महीने अगर मैं 2% का ग्रोथ कर रही हूँ, कंसिस्टेंटली कर रही हूँ, और कंसिस्टेंसी के लिए पुनीत, शैलेश जी, डॉली, हम लोगों को है ना कम्युनिटी की बहुत जरूरत पड़ती है, राइट?
यस.
ये जो इमेज कंसल्टेंसी पे जया हर महीने में आके हम लोगों को ऐसे दिमाग में डालती रहेगी, तो डू यू थिंक हमारा इमेज डे इन डे आउट इंप्रूव होती जाएगा? परफेक्ट. प्लान टू विन इज गोइंग टू गिव यू सच कम्युनिटी. तो प्लान टू विन के फीचर्स क्या है? सबसे पहले तो हम लोग एम्पावर्ड कम्युनिटी में बिलीव करते हैं. नॉट ओनली मी, बट माय बडी, बट माय क्लस्टर, बट माय फैमिली, एवरीबडी इज मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. सो डू यू वांट टू नो कि हम प्लान टू विन में क्या करते हैं?
यस
गाइस, मैं प्रॉमिस करती हूँ कि हम लोग 9-15 को कंप्लीट करेंगे. ये मेरा प्रॉमिस है. परफेक्ट. अरे टाइप करो, मुझे पे ना थोड़ा एक्शन में लाती हूँ हमेशा, उसके बगैर बोलती नहीं हो. जैसे वेंडिंग मशीन में कॉइन जाने के बाद ही कुछ आता है, मेरे चैट आने के बाद ही कुछ मैं बोलूंगी. ओके. सो या शलाका ने यस बोल दिया. थैंक यू प्रथमेश. तो हम लोग क्या करते पता है क्या? यहाँ पे हम लोग सुबह आपके दिमाग, मतलब हमारे सबके माइंडफुलनेस पे काम करते हैं. We all sit together for mindfulness only for 20 minutes. 7:30 से 7:50. Let us consider कि 7:30 से 7:50 is not workable. Then, if you request, you get a recording. सब लोगों को नहीं, मगर जिनको चाहिए उनको हम recording देते हैं. तो आप इसको अपने दिन के schedule के हिसाब से कर सकते हैं. We want that all of us are together and doing it live every day 20 minutes. Is it cool? अगर रोज 20 मिनट हम अपने माइंडसेट पे काम करेंगे तो क्या मैजिक होगा? शेयर क्या लगता है? Is that the area that you are looking at working on? Mindfulness? Then we do it every day. But Sunday को हम आपको छुट्टी देते हैं. You can do it on your own. Accountability structure, guys, buddies. The best way to rise up is to give a hand to someone. Okay, so same way we have daily 2 बार सुबह और शाम हम लोग कॉल पे हमारे क्लस्टर के साथ, फैमिली के साथ बात करते हैं, और यहाँ वहां की बातें नहीं करते. हम हमारे गोल से रिलेटेड बातें करते हैं. हम अपने गोल्स को डिक्लेयर करते हैं. See, I know that this might get a little bit overwhelming, क्योंकि जया का इतना पावरफुल सेशन के बाद मैं कुछ बोल रही हूँ आपसे. इसके बारे में हम डिटेल में चर्चा करने के लिए रेडी हैं. तो हमने अपने नंबर दिए हैं. शलाका, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि फिर आप इनका नंबर दे दीजिए, किसी का भी नंबर आप कैप्चर करिए, कनेक्ट विद अस। तो दिन में तो बस याद रखिए कि एक अकाउंटेबिलिटी स्ट्रक्चर है, आपको 15 मिनट मॉर्निंग, 15 मिनट इवनिंग कॉल पे आना है, अपने गोल्स के बारे में बात करेंगे। उसके बाद हमारे पास MBA गुरु प्रोफेसर अरुण है, और हमारी एंटायर टीम जो है आपको गोल्स देखने में हेल्प करेगी। कभी कभार क्या होता है ना कि हमको पता ही नहीं कि हमारे गोल्स क्या है, राइट डॉली? हम लोग इतने बह जाते हैं ये पूरी दुनिया के शाइनिंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स में कि एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज इट आई एम स्टैंडिंग फॉर, यार मुझे लाइफ में एक्चुअली क्या चाहिए, राइट रितिका?
यस,
है ना? तो इसीलिए हम आपको वहां पे भी ट्रेन करते हैं कि किस तरह से आप अपने कॉन्वर्सेशंस कर सकते हैं, किस तरह से आप अपने गोल्स को क्रिएट कर सकते हो और नर्चर कर सकते हो। कौन सा गोल आपके लिए क्या बोलते हैं ना, ऐसे एकदम एक्साइटिंग होगा। सॉरी,
प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट में कौन सा गोल?
प्रायोरिटी, एग्जैक्टली। और व्हाट इज इट दैट यू रियली वांट टू डू? वी डोंट वांट यू टू गो फ्रॉम कल्चरस्केप कि उसने वो किया तो मैं ये करूंगी। नो नो नो, कल्चरस्केप की वजह से ना गोल सेटिंग हैज ब्रोकन डाउन। हम लोग दूसरे को देख के अपना गोल बनाते हैं। अच्छा, वो इतना फिट है तो मुझे वैसा फिट बनना है, या वो इतना बढ़िया इंग्लिश बोलती है मुझे बोलना नहीं, मुझे क्या चाहिए वो एग्जैक्टली। वी विल बी ट्रेनिंग यू दैट इन योर कॉन्वर्सेशन ट्रेनिंग ऑल्सो, प्रोडक्टिविटी ट्रेनिंग ऑल्सो। कॉन्वर्सेशन ट्रेनिंग एक बार होता है रितिका, और प्रोडक्टिविटी ट्रेनिंग भी हफ्ते में एक बार होता है, ठीक है? और जिसको भी चाहिए ये प्रेजेंटेशन मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर सकती हूँ पर्सनली, ओके? और हर सैटरडे को ना रितिका, शैलेश, मोहन जी, हर सैटरडे को हम लोग इवनिंग में 3 बजे से 4 बजे तक मिलके ना रिव्यू करते हैं कि हफ्ते में क्या क्या किया। मोहन जी क्या क्या बोला while pretending to be something, what were you actually? प्रथमेश, पुनीत, आपने जो बोला वो किया क्या, ये आपको प्रोग्रेस होता है, आप खुद करते हो इसको रिव्यू, और हम आपके साथ उसमें आपका साथ देते हैं। सो ये बेसिकली प्रोग्राम है।
आई थिंक मेरे सबसे ज्यादा अपील किया वो ये सेंटेंस ही बहुत अपील किया कि प्लान टू विन। और एवरी डे अगर सुबह उठ करके हर इंसान अगर ये अपने आप के साथ यही बोल देना कि प्लान टू विन, तो उसके एक्शंस उस डायरेक्शन में जाएंगे।
एग्जैक्टली। और हम आपके साथ ना रितिका, हम आपके साथ चलेंगे। हम देखो बहुत बार अकेले हो जाते हैं, हमारी फैमिली भी नहीं बिलीव करती हमारे गोल्स पे। डू यू एग्री? एंड नथिंग रॉन्ग, वी आर गोइंग इन डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस। सो देयर आर पीपल हु बिलीव इन यू एंड वी वांट टू वॉक विथ यू। सो हम लोग आपको कुछ एक सपोर्ट सेशन देते हैं कि डेली मॉर्निंग में 45 मिनट्स का फिटनेस सेशन होता है, विच इज अ सपोर्ट सेशन विच यू कैन डेफिनेटली कम अगर आपका चैलेंज है फिटनेस में। These are additional things that we are giving you. We also give you weekly expert speak just now. It's a community training. So even if you're not a part of the community, you still come and get the expert training.
Okay.
और जैसे कहते हैं ना कि वो जैसे कहते हैं, if you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. Okay, as said by our leader Benjamin Franklin. कि अगर आपने प्लान ही नहीं किया, किसके लिए प्लान करना है वो भी पता नहीं होता। बट व्हेन यू आर विद कम्युनिटी ना, आपको ये मौका मिलता है देखने के लिए कि एग्जैक्टली मेरे लाइफ में मुझे क्या चाहिए। और एक फ्यू सेकंड्स लूंगी। ओ माय गॉड, मैंने खुद इंटेग्रिटी ब्रेक करी है, आई एम सो सॉरी। जस्ट लास्ट 2 चीजें, ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल ट्रेनिंग्स भी हम दे रहे हैं। मोहन जी, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपके जो सराउंडिंग के लोगों को ये ट्रेनिंग मिले, तो एक दिन की पूरी इंटेंसिव ट्रेनिंग्स भी होती है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल ट्रेनिंग्स भी करते हैं। ये सब आएगा हमारा फ्रॉम द कमिंग मतलब ईयर, दैट इज इन जनवरी। सो गाइज, मैं ऐसे हाफ में ये छोड़ना नहीं चाहती हूँ। सो आई होप गाइज यू कैन स्टे बैक इफ देयर इज एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू आस्क। ये बहुत शॉर्ट में मैंने आपको बताया। इसके लिए हम लोग 30 मिनट्स का पर्सनलाइज कॉल लेते हैं मंडेज को, ट्यूजडेज को। सो डू लेट अस नो। कुछ किसी को पूछना है? Okay, perfect. So how many of you would like to know more about Plan to Win? You can say me in the chat or I in the chat. Guys, this is a quarter program. हम लोग 3 महीने के लिए आपको एनरोल करते हैं इस प्रोग्राम में। But since we already started our quarter in October, अभी नवंबर दिसंबर 2 महीने के लिए हम लोग एडमिशंस ले रहे हैं. From January again we'll go to January to March and then April to June. तो 2 महीने के लिए हम लोग ये ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम दे रहे हैं. Okay, how many of you want to know the cost of this program? आपके दिमाग में ऑलरेडी कुछ बहुत बड़े बड़े फिगर आते रहेंगे. डोंट वरी. How many of you want to know कि what is the cost of this program, Darshana? जहाँ पे आप बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर भी दे रहे हो, आप प्रोडक्टिविटी ट्रेनिंग भी दे रहे हो, कॉन्वर्सेशनल ट्रेनिंग भी दे रहे हो. Nobody wants to know? Dolly wants to know. Okay, perfect. So I'm sure that Dolly, yes, Puneet wants to know. So guys, the price of this program is 2,000 rupees per month. For the entire month, that is 30 days, you're paying 2,000 rupees. But as I told you that it's a 3-month program. So we pay like 5, it's 1,999, so 5,997 is a 3-month cost. But जब हम लोग ये 2 महीने के लिए ले रहे हैं, so what's the price for 2 months? Can anybody tell me? I'm a math teacher also. 1,999 into 2, what is that? What is 1,999 into 2? अरे कैलकुलेटर मत निकालो, 2,000 into 2 करके -2 कर दो. 3,998. 2,000 into 2 को से 2 निकाल दो. 3,998. So the price of this program till December 2021 पूरे ये रिमेनिंग ईयर के लिए है केवल 3,998, जिसमें आपके जो अनफुलफिल्ड गोल्स है ना, ये 2 महीने में हम लोग इसको कैच अप कर सकते हैं. We can get started into your desires, into your dreams. How many of you want to take this game? 95% काम नहीं किया है, 5% के टाइम में हम लोग सब कुछ अकम्प्लिश कर सकते हैं. सोच रहे हैं बहुत ही, जो सोचते हैं ना वो कमिटेड लोग होते हैं कि वाकई में दर्शना जो बोल रही है, इट मेक्स सेंस. शुड आई डू इट? आई हैव सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस. सो दर्शना इज sharing the number. Shalaka, Darshana, Arun, all of us are together in this program. Seema, Gitanjali, Rajesh, आपको जिन्होंने भी invite किया होगा, Vikas. We are all 7 colors of rainbow. We are here to serve you. Take down my number, connect with me, and we can, and you know what, we can create a presentation especially for your organization, for your family, for your friends, जहाँ पे हम लोग गोल के बारे में बात करते हैं. I'm complete, guys. 9:21. Thank you so much. And yes, Mohanji, definitely. And we will help you to work on your schedule. We can do that. Perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, anybody who would like to say something, we can close this meeting in a minute. Mohanji, I would want you to say something to our audience. You are not audible. If you're speaking something, I'm not able to hear you. Is it not possible for you to talk? You can put in the chat as well. Anyone else? Super leaders? Okay. No. Yes, Shalaka. Shalaka, your internet seems to be low. Can't hear you properly. Yeah?
Am I audible right now?
Yes, you are. Yeah.
Darshana, I want to acknowledge you. Thank you for sharing such a beautiful presentation. And
Well
thank
done.
you for sharing this opportunity to, plan our future and plan ourselves, plan our goal and create something which is, more substantial for us. Thank you.
Perfect, perfect. So I really acknowledge people who are here till the end. And we are really looking forward to see you in this powerful program, Plan to Win. Bye-bye. Take care. Can we end the meeting? I'm requesting the host to end the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sure.
I think